So, hello students, welcome to my channel Java C Programming. So, here I am again going to teach you all Java programming language. Yes, of you have texted me and were in doubt that why haven't I uploaded any videos since 2 or 3 months. So, yes, the answer is that I was busy somewhere else, so I couldn't upload Java tutorials, but now I am free, so I will keep uploading the Java videos. Keep watching the videos and you will have a good understanding of Java basics and Java programming language, and by looking at our videos you all will get good knowledge of Java and will perform better at your college, school, and other interviews as well. So let's start today's topic: data types in Java. So basically, what does data type come into your mind when you heard this term, data types? So I'm going to tell you what is data type. Data type specify the different sizes and value that can be stored in a variable. So basically, in Java, in Java programming, I will say, Java programming, we uses some variables and data types to store the values of data for the manipulation of data and for further processing. So basically, program can be of anything: to store numbers, to add to numbers. So basically we require some variables, and variables have some data types which specify what kind of variable it is. So basically data types are the values that can be stored in the variable. They specify data types. So there are two types of data types in Java: primitive data types and non-primitive data types. The primitive data types include boolean, char. Boolean for true or for storing true or false value is specified that whether a value is true or either false. Char to store character A, B, C, I, X, and any character. To store any character, we use this define character as char X is equal to A. And byte you all know, short for integers, int, commonly used in Java program. Integers. Long for big integers, big range values, and short for small range values, and byte for numbers. Float and double for floating point or decimal values which have decimal or floating point numbers in it. So in primitive data types, we have boolean. Its default value is false. Its default size is 1 bit. Char default size is 2 bit. Byte default size is 1 byte. Short default size is 2 byte. Int default size is 4 byte. Long default size is 8 byte, and float default size is 4 byte. Double default size is 8 byte. So, and I will give you example of int. Int a is equal to 2000. So int specify that a stores integer values, or like this you can do with double d equal to 12.3. So double specifies that d stores decimal value. And all the data types are helpful for you to understand a piece of code, or to store variable, manipulate, and perform operations. So non-primitive data types, we will talk about it in other class, but uh, this is it from my side today. I will so in Java, data types plays crucial role in defining the kind of information that can be stored and manipulated. And on the other hand, there are several non-primitive data types, but we will talk about it in other class. So I will now give you a summary of what I have teach in today's lesson. So we have teach about the 8 basic data types, primitive data types in Java. So data types, as the name suggests, data types specify the type of data that can be stored in variables in Java. Java is strictly typed language. It means that variables must be declared before they can be used. So to declare a variable, we will write data type, variable name, and semicolon. I will talk about it in other lectures. So all you have to understand is data types. So we have talked about Boolean data types. Default value is false. It has possible two values, true or false. Byte data type can have values from -128 to 127. It is used to store any value. Default value is 0. If Then we have short data type. Short data type can have values from -32768 to 32767, and default value is 0. int data type can have values from -2 raised to the power 31 to 2 raised to the power 31 minus 1. Or you can say that it is used to store integer values. Long is also used to, so long range, it has long range than int. If we have long range number, then we use long data type, and if we have integer or any kind of integer, we use int data type. Double is used to store decimal value. Double data type is a double precision 64-bit floating point. It should never be used for precise values such as currency. Float point is same as double, but some value difference is there. The float data type is a single precision 32-bit floating point, and default value is 0.0f. Char is used to store any character value in it. It is a 16-bit Unicode character. Strings in Java are not primitive type, instead they are objects. So a string stores any name, place, or anything. So yes, thank you class. In next lecture we will study more about variables, non-primitive types, and some programs. Till then, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.